XRP is a hair away right now as we speak from a big move here. It is currently at 0.5058 cents. And it is Monday, September 25th. It's 1:50 p.m. So let's dive into it. First, we'll cover the market drivers. And the dollar's up today. It keeps on going. We have this trend line like this that we need to break still. And we found a nice bounce off of it earlier today. If we can come back down now and break 105.50, that will get us back below this trend line. And ultimately now we need to break down below 104.66. Then 103 is the nail in the coffin. So stock market holding up steady back at the support over here in August. We want to maintain this level 14,629 and we ultimately want to get back above 15,250. XRP is already starting to go right now. It's at 0.5064 right now. But we got the total crypto market cap. We're on the 1-day chart and we're holding up fine. We came back down. We tested our key support. So I'm going to put that trend line right there. Oh, let me hide this. So yeah, so XRP came down. It held that, the total crypto market cap came down, held that critical support. And then that's on the 1-day. And what we're doing right now is, oh, you love to see it. When you come up and then you come back down slow and it looks like it's going to cross, to me, this looks like it's gearing up to pop up like that. So this is a very interesting sign right now. Kind of like this, it kind of crossed down, but then it popped up. We should see within the next couple of days, this curl up and have a fire up rocket type of move here. That's what we want to see for the whole crypto market to have a nice pump up. And we'll know by the end of today if that's going to cross down or it's going to be a swoop back up. So that's for the total crypto market cap. And let's look at the signals real quick. We have the 1-day back there. Let's see if we got the 2-day yet. So we got the 2-day back there. Let's see if we got the 3-day. So we didn't get the 3-day just yet, but we're super close. So if we can get that 3-day by now, then the bottom's in my opinion. Altcoins holding up fine as well too. Came back down to test a key level. If I put a horizontal line right there, you can see that we've had multiple touch points here. When we broke down, that was at that level. When we got up, we held support and we came back down to touch it. We need to break above this 786 here at 324 billion. We break above there and we're super close. We're going to come back up to 328 billion. Ultimately, we need to get above 333 billion. That's where the 200 moving average is on the 12-hour chart. And I think if I pull up the daily chart, that's where the top of the void line band is. So if we can come up to there and squeeze it, these mouths will start to open. Then we'll come up to retest 350 billion. And that's the level that if we break above, then we're gone. Bitcoin at 26,360. And let's go to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, see, we came back down, tested that key level right here. We found a lot of support here, resistance here, came back down, tested as support. And we have the 4-hour prepare to buy soon. And we're very close to flashing that buy now signal. If we can keep this momentum and get back above 26,600, preferably 26,750 to get back above that 4-hour 50 moving average, then we'll flash that 4-hour buy now. We'll be above the 200 moving average, which we are right now as we speak, and the 50 moving average, and then the melt up can continue. So XRP right now at 0.5062, and let me delete these. We came down, tested a key level as well here, horizontal line right there. You can see if we look left, that's where we came, support. We dropped off from there, tank, came back up, support, did it again, support. And if we can come up, break 0.5072, which we're literally at right now, then we're going to come up to around 0.5025, 0.5035, and 0.5045. We can get above the fib overlap zone, this white shaded zone. This is what I want to see. I want to see us break this trend line coming down like this, which will coincide with breaking both of these 786s, which will shoot us up hopefully to above the fib overlap zone. Then we can come back down, hold above it, and then we can continue to these targets up here around 61 cents, 59 cents, 58.5 cents, and that would be a big move. So in the Stargate Discord, link is in the bio. Come join it if you're not already in it. We had already called out an entry on XRP for a levy on it. And so far we're up right now. So pretty solid. I want to see a little bit more break above this trend line and then we're good to go. So we're going to leave it off at that. Another one that we're watching is XLM to get in on because it's coiling up for a big move. So if you wanted to get in on these opportunities, join the Discord. Link is in the bio. Friend request me, Rob at Stargate. Ask how you can get in on these moves and we'll get you kitted and suited up for them. But XLM, 12-hour, prepare to buy soon. Once we flash that buy now signal, I'm in. So we'll be tracking that in real time. And then I got the 1-day prepare to buy soon on XLM as well too. We have a lot of support right here as well. So XRP looks like it will be first, but then we're going to strike on XLM. So if you're new here, subscribe to the notification bell, leave a like and a comment. I'll see you guys in the Discord and in the next video.